Hello, I'm DeathSeeker512, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to update the mod that you've already been working for to 1.5.2. So, what I'm going to do is go into the files in MinecraftForge.net, and this brings me to this page. Now, instead of getting the recommended version anymore, I figured I might as well just do the latest. And then you could, okay. Security error, blah blah blah. Anyways, that way it's always up to date, and also it kind of reinforces what the new layout is kind of for. About what? I had to wait 10 seconds so I could wait for 5 seconds. That's fantastic. Okay, so yeah, download the latest version, and then in MCP they've already also updated it as well. See, 1.5.2, and I will download that. Then just go into your downloads folder and also go into your mods folder. Oh, why you open a new tab? I can't see without my glasses. I really can't read anything. Okay, and then in your MCP folder, just delete everything. Simple as that. And then so back in your downloads folder, open up the zip file. I really gotta clean this up. Yeah, wait. Where's the MCP one? So 744 and 751. What? Oh, because it's still downloading. I see. Anyways, so then go into the Minecraft Forge folder. Not folder, but zip file. This is the 685 one, yeah. Okay, and then go back into your MCP folder and drag this into there. Okay. And I will be back as soon as this is done downloading. And now that's done downloading, I will go and open up that. And then Control A. Actually, after you get into your MCP directory, then extract it there. Close out this. And voila. Except, of course, now you have to go into your Forge folder and then the install the for your particular system. So if you are a Unix-based system, then it would be install.sh or shell. And if you are in a Windows system, it becomes install.cmd. Oh crap. So I will just fix this. Okay, so now it's fixed. And now if I change it to where I can execute it and right click execute, it will now go through and download the files and set up Forge like it always does. So I'll be back whenever this is done. And now that that's done, I will just start Eclipse. and tell it to go to the same MCP, no, the same directory as we had before, which was the Eclipse directory in our mods folder, or at least my mods folder. You might have named it differently. Oh, also, another thing, before I forget, whenever you recompile stuff, use the recompile. No, wait, can't see. Okay, so it's. Use this, not this. This one. The reobfuscate underscore srg. I believe. I'll be back in a second. Okay, yeah. So when you go reobfuscate, use this one. Uh, you might as well delete the files that you won't need. So for me, it'd be all the .bat files. Seeing as how I'm not on Windows. Anyway, so as I said before, point it to your Eclipse directory in your mods folder. I hope I just did that. And I'll be back once Eclipse is up. And now Eclipse is up. And if you notice in your Minecraft folder, all the sources are still here. With all of its changes. Or should have all of its changes. Let's see here. No reason why that was up so high. Okay, now that this is all set up, I've already made a couple run configurations. One of them is all mods, one of them is vanilla server, and so on. So now I will go into the run configurations and show you guys how to set that up, or those. So I will just okay. So these two, whenever you look at it, it'll just say client and server. So I changed it to vanilla client and vanilla server, which you can do that from up here. Now, if you look into the arguments, you want to have these copied. Just like right click copy it, because this will like, or at least this part, will make it to where it doesn't like crash on you and stuff. And if you notice in the server, it's pretty much the same thing. Now, if you notice, I have these that switched that aren't 1024 M. So actually, I'm going to delete this one. Yeah, where's it? And yes. So what you have to do is you can just right click on this and then new. And then in the main class, you want to have it as cancel. Change the project to Minecraft, I believe. Okay, yeah. And then in the new configuration thing, name it to whatever you want. So in this case, I'll just do and then in the main class, instead of using search or browse, or that's a search. Okay, just type start. And then in the arguments, just copy and paste it from here. Now, if you want to have the program arguments. The first argument would be your username, and the second one would be your password. But I don't care about that right now. And so in the class path, you want to have the user entries part, and you want to add a project and say tutorial, and then you want to remove the second Minecraft, because all it is literally just this one again, and hit apply. Now if you want to create the server, if you look in the main here, it says Minecraft, and then net.minecraft.server.minecraft server. So I'm just copying and pasting this as a new one. And so right click new, and then main class is going to be that from the project Minecraft, and the arguments are going to be the same VM arguments I have as in the vanilla server. Now if you notice, I have no GUI up here. That's so that it doesn't actually bring up the box that has stuff, and I can just do everything from the Eclipse console. So I'm just going to be Control C on that, and in the new configuration, Control V, no GUI, and then tutorial server, class path, left click, add projects, tutorial, uncheck mark that. Nope, it still did it. Okay, so remove that, add projects. What if I had both of these? Aha! But now I'm worried. Oh, whatever. Hit apply, and then if you want to run it here, and it will automatically add it up here. And as you can see, as soon as I get this up, that it is running. And it's also running without like a GUI interface. Yeah, that's what I thought. Let me just run the vanilla client, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so the client worked just fine. Voila. Now let me close out this. And go back into run configurations and modify tutorial server again. Come on. Of course, as soon as I pause it, it's fun. It's fine. My bad. So, let's go back into the class path. Let's delete that. Let's then add projects, tutorial, okay. Then delete Minecraft. And then now let's hit run. I wonder if it's a problem with just the server. Here, let me run the vanilla server. I'll be back in a second. Okay, so the server works just fine. Let me look at the difference between the two run configurations. Okay, there's no difference there. There's the one difference there. Yes, save it. Huh, whoops. And close. So that's what the issue was. Okay then. So the issue I was having before was that I did not have that right. Okay, so instead of default, which would put it in Minecraft, you have to make it into the other section to where it just does that. And that was the only issue that I saw. Now I'm just going back and through. Okay, and then so in the client as well, you want to hit others, and then that's probably the only difference. We hit apply, go to all mods, and you can just have like one setup to where all of the mods are working together. If you have like a list of mods, and then you just keep adding all the mods. And I did not put no GUI in that apparently. So obviously the server is running. Close, dang you, close. Okay, so then in arguments, other, that's the same. Class path, you can see I've got the two there. So I'm going to hit apply. And so yeah, that's how you set up the run configurations. And so I will just run the tutorial client. Ow. And be back whenever it's up. And freaking tastic. But then again, that's only at 41. So, if you get an error like this, go through and to each of these websites and download the file and put it in the correct directory, which is the darts directory, right? Oh, live directory. What? Whatever, I'm just going to relaunch it. Okay, it said activating mod tutorial and notice how it didn't activate anything else. Oh, well. Yay. Minecraft is up, and in our mods, it says tutorial mod. And I should really put the MC mod info file there. Okay then. Which would, if you want to know where to put the MC mod info file, put it in resources. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Just put it in resources. Or, I believe. Let me check. Okay, so yeah, put it in this folder. Next to the mods folder. And well, this is the end of this video. If it helped you at all, give it a like. If you want to see more about me, subscribe. If it didn't help you, there's always the button next to the like button. Anyways, have a good day, or night, or whatever time you're watching this. Or, sorry, ha! Or whenever, whatever. You know what I usually say. Alright, bye.